A strategy will allow you to survive even in the absence of knowledge. So many of us in this room have a big dreams. Sometimes those dreams completely out of reach without ourselves because we think we do not have enough experience, enough support, or enough knowledge. But we forget one beautiful thing. Every expert you look up today started exactly where you are standing right now. Every master was once a beginner. By the way, I am Jeffrey M. Perez, and I believe that becoming the person you want to be is always possible. You just have to keep moving, to keep learning, and trust your own journey, even when the road ahead looks dark and difficult. Today, I want to talk about three truths based on my life. First, why you must believe in your dream when you start with nothing. Second, how mistake and competitions are the key to your growth. And lastly, how a clear strategy can take you to your goals even when you feel completely unready. Believing in your dreams is the very first step to changing your life. You see, when you see successful people, remember, they did not start at the top. They started with nothing but the passion and curiosity. For me, my dreams is to become a well-known tattoo artist. But let me tell you a secret. When I first started, I did not even know how to draw. I had zero skills. No one handed this talent to me. I had to learn it completely by myself. Day by day, practicing alone, I started to see small improvements. I held on to believe that even if I was not perfect yet, trying was already progress. If you do not believe in your goal, the very start, you will quit before your story even begins. This brings me to my second point. Mistakes and challenges are not reason to give up. They are your best teachers. In tattooing, a design will never be perfect on the first try. Precision takes time. To push myself, I started to joining tattoo competition here in Cebu. Every time an opportunity comes, I enter the ring. I don't do it just to win. I do it to learn. I do it to see my flaws, correct my mistakes, steady my hand, and build my confidence. Being tattoo artist did not just give me a passion. It changed my life practically. It is the very thing helping me funding my studies and stay in school until today. My craft supports my education and my education support my future. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is the fuel for it. Lastly, having a plan and staying consistent will save you when your knowledge is limited. This is why I always live by my core belief. A strategy will allow you to survive even when you do not have all the knowledge. Even when I did not know everything about the art, I had a strategy, practice every single day, entering every competition, and learn from the best. Consistency is much more important than natural talent. Right now, I look up to a lot of amazing artists. I idolize their work, but I am staying consistent because I know my timeline soon. Through my hard work, relentless strategy, I will be the one that people look up to soon. I will be the one who idolized by others. Becoming the person you want to be starts with your believing in your dreams. When you have nothing, learning through competition and mistakes, and running your life with a clear strategy. I am not the final perfect version of myself, but I know I am on the right path. I am becoming the person through hard work, patience, and absolute focus. So I challenge myself and I challenge all of you. Keep going even when you feel unready. Every single step, every shaky line, and every small win is necessary part of my journey. I leave you with this final question today. What dream are you willing to keep build? What dream are you willing to keep building even when you have start from absolutely nothing? Because we don't suddenly find who we are. We work for it, we fight for it, and we become for it. Thank you so much and have a nice day.